many of you loved horses as a kid? Many children enjoy imagining their very own horses, and for some this excitement never fades, but instead morphs into learning more about the colors of the horses and the genetics that affect them. My name is Dillon. Today I'll be teaching you about the genetics of the horse coat. In my presentation, I'll use a capital letter to symbolize a dominant trait or gene, a lowercase letter to represent a recessive gene, and an underscore to mark that the status of the gene has no physical effect. The first trait is the red factor gene, which determines whether a horse has a red base or a black base. A red-based horse is recessive and is typically called a chestnut. The black-based horse is dominant but does not necessarily guarantee a solid black horse. Instead, it just means that the horse is based in black, giving it a black mane and tail, legs, ear tips, nose, etc. The gene that influences the extent of the black is called the agouti gene, represented by an A. A dominant agouti gene actually limits the black to the horse's mane, tail, legs, etc., resulting in, most commonly, a bay horse. But with two recessive agouti genes, this results in a solid black horse. With these three bases, the chestnut, black, and bay, they can be expanded by dilutes, which change the base color. The first of these is the cream. Now, the cream dilute acts a little differently. If the horse has just one dominant cream, the base color is lightened, where a chestnut becomes a palomino and a bay becomes buckskin. But if the horse has two dominant cream genes, then it washes out all color, leaving it a very light cream, no matter what the base originally was. Another dilute is the Dillon dilute, which lightens the horse's body and creates primitive markings, dark stripes on the legs and a thick dark stripe down the back. The silver dilute acts uniquely in it only targets black pigment, turning a black-based horse's mane and tail into a silvery cream or white. Now this just barely scratches the surface of the many combinations and genes in the horse world. But whether you're using this hypothetically for fun, in guessing what color your friend's foal is going to be, or even as a career, the knowledge of the base colors and how dilutes affect them can be used by horse lovers of all levels. Thank you.